In this video I will discuss about 6 popular exercises you should replace for better muscle growth. Effective alternatives. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of exercising, specifically discussing 6 popular exercises that you may want to consider replacing with more effective alternatives for better muscle growth. Let's get started. First up, we have the squat. Instead of sticking with standard squats, try out banded squats. This variation targets your glutes and core more effectively, leading to better muscle growth and form overall. Next, let's talk about pull-ups. If you're struggling with your form or don't have a proper pull-up bar at home, consider trying out assisted pull-ups instead. They work your back and arms just as effectively and can even help alleviate any shoulder issues you might be experiencing. Now, for push-ups. If you want to take things up a notch and reach the next level in a short amount of time, ditch regular push-ups in favor of weighted push-ups or bodyweight floor presses. These exercises will challenge your chest muscles in new ways and help you make noticeable progress quickly. Moving on to lateral band walks for the glutes and hamstrings. Instead of squats which don't have much carryover, try lateral band walks instead for a much bigger glute pump. Lastly, let's discuss bench dips for triceps. While these are great for working your triceps, they also put a lot of unnecessary stress on your shoulders. Instead, give single arm floor presses a try. They work your triceps just as well without the extra stress on your shoulders. So there you have it, 6 popular exercises that might be worth replacing with more effective alternatives for better muscle growth. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness tips and advice. Have a fantastic workout session.